Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is a very brief video just to give you an update on what happened with the consumer price index. I had a very quick look at the CPI on the website. I'm going to show that to you here today. But the general verdict that I have is that we have inflation which has plateaued and also decreased in some instances. So overall positive for the market. With that said, let's look at the actual report. Well, here we have the actual report, consumer price index summary. And it was uploaded just a few minutes ago. It's 8:32. This was up on 8:30. So you're getting as quick an information as possible from this one-man show out here. So consumer price index July 2022. The consumer price index for all urban consumers was unchanged in July on a seasonally adjusted basis after rising 1.3% in June. The US BLS reported today, over the last 12 months, all items index increased 8.5% before seasonal adjustment. So this tells me that we have a flat inflation report overall. The gasoline index fell 7.7% in July and offset increases in the food and shelter indexes, resulting in all items index being unchanged over the month. So the way I look at it is that the gasoline price index has fallen, but the effect of that will come into food and shelter in the next report. So in the next report, I would expect food and shelter prices to have gone down. The energy index fell 4.6% over the month as the indices for gasoline and natural gas declined, but the index for electricity increased. The food index continued to rise, increasing 1.1% over the month as the food at home index rose 1.3%. I think the food at home index and the food index in general will respond positively by going down in the next reading, because the gasoline index falling 7.7% in July will take effect in food prices potentially towards the end of July and during August. The index for all items less food and energy rose 0.3% in July, a smaller increase than in April, May, or June. Again, this shows that we have already plateaued in June. The indexes for shelter, medical care, motor vehicle insurance, hotel furnishing operations, etc., were among those that increased over the month. There were some indices that declined in July, including those for airline fares, used cars, trucks, and communication and apparel. The all items index decreased 8.5% for the 12 months ending July, a smaller figure than the 9.1%. So there's a 0.6% decline. So overall, I think this is good. The market should be responding positively. Let us look at the market now. Let's go and have a look at the market. And here we have the QQQ. It's up 2.26%. This is fantastic. Now let's look at SPY, which was just up 0.2% when we did our morning show. It's already up 1.57%. Likewise, IWM is up 1.67%. Dow Jones Industrial is up 1.31%. And as you can see, the VIX is just slightly above the 9-day exponential moving average, a bit of volatility out there, but we need to see that cooling down soon. But that's let's just pull this out forward and let's look at what the VIX looks like. I'm just going to draw a quick trend line out here for you. So this is our VIX trend line. So we should anticipate VIX falling down below this trend line out here and coming down to somewhere closer to 20 in the due course. And with that said, let's just have a quick look at what's happening in the crypto sector and Bitcoin. Bitcoin has again responded positively along with Nasdaq. It's gone up 1.63%. So my friends, I think everything is looking good here, and hopefully we go to the second step of my theory that we are going to get into the foundation of a bull channel going forward, and all indices should go up from now onwards. So that's what I am expecting. And also my theory that the last 3 months of the year are going to give us the best returns is still in play. Potentially August might be a bit difficult for us, but September, October, November, and December are still in play with a little bit of volatility just around the midterm election. Definitely we are going to have a Santa Claus rally this year, and I'm looking forward to all my portfolios turning progressively green as we proceed towards the year end. And here is wishing you the very best for today's trading. Have a nice day. If you like this video, please press a like out there. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and help us grow this channel. Bye for now.